Hello everybody, and if you read the title already, you already know that I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. And there's two things you need here, or maybe just one. First, it's obvious, the paper. But I also like writing a name on my boat, so I have a Sharpie. You can use a pencil, pen, doesn't matter. Just use some kind of, you don't need to, okay? Sorry, I didn't say you have to. I meant to say you can use a Sharpie or something to write a little name on it. So the first step is fold your paper in half. So you're gonna take your paper. This is very hard to show. You're gonna take your paper and fold it. Very simple. Oh, that's a bad pull. Alright. So you should have something like this. Now you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to fold it this way. So when you're done with, when you finish folding it, it should look like a little square box. Something like this. Then you want to grab it and unfold it, and you have a little line here, and you want to take the edge and fold it into the line. That is very hard to say. That's very weird to say. Hopefully I'm saying this as easy as possible. And if you did that, you should have something that looks like this. And if you followed correctly, you should have two things at the bottom. The first thing you want to do is take it and fold it. This is very hard to show on camera. You want to take this, one, and you want to take it and you want to fold it up. So it should look like this on one side. Then you want to do the same thing with the other side. And now you want to take these edges, you want to fold one of them, you want to take the other one, fold it out. You don't want to fold it, but you want to take one of them, and you want to fold it on the inside of it, and like that. You can see it. One is in the inside. Then you want to fold the other one on the outside. We're going to do the same thing with the other side, so yeah. Same thing, and if you don't remember, just rewatch the video. Nice and easy. And if you want to, you can stop here. You got a little paper hat. But we're going farther. And now you want to open it up, okay? And you want to take it from this side and push it together. So it's going to look like this. I'm pushing it together. Oh, nuts. I've already messed up. Alright, there. So if you do that, you want to fold them together, and you should have something that looks like this. We are almost done. Now, I almost just took off there. Would have been bad. Alright, you want to take this and you want to fold it up like that. And fold it pretty high up. Because this is going to be the points. You can actually fold it lower, but I like a pretty high one. So, if you should have something that looks like that. This is the hardest part. You want to open it from the bottom, just open it like that. You want to take it like this way and push it together. Okay. I'm really scared that this video is just, you can't understand this video. But hopefully you are. So if you look, you can see that there's two things here. You want to not pinch them, but take it and pull them apart. Not very hard though. And if you look, we're almost done. Now you want to grab these parts, push them up, and then fold. This is actually the best fold I've ever done. So, good thing we caught it on camera. And if you did that correctly, you should have something that looks like this. And like I said, you can use a Sharpie. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a name on this. SS Lizard boat man. The SS Lizard. The SS Lizard. That's what I'm going to call this boat. And if you look, I actually wrote down the SS Lizard. And I'm gonna sell this on Amazon. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm actually not gonna sell this on Amazon, but that is how you make that is how you make a easy little boat. You can also use it as a hat. The SS Lizard hat. And if you still have room on the bottom and you can actually unfold it like this, you can actually make this float just for a little bit of time. It is actually pretty cool. But it will sink eventually. Because it is paper and water. But this is how you make an easy boat. So hopefully you enjoy. That's not gonna I just got an idea. Put this on. I'm trying to figure out if I'll put this right here. There. So now every video this will be showing. Remember, it is the SS Lizard. And that is now part of our Lizard Squad. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And hopefully you can give this video a like. And hit the subscribe button. My goal is for subscribers is, well, I'm trying to remember, it is 3 subscribers. And also, maybe, if I get a few more likes, I'll show you how to make one of these. This is a real working Ninja Star. So, it's over there now. I might have threw it down, but it hit the wall. So, yeah. I could teach you how to make one of these. This was a mess up, so I used some tape, because it ripped. So hopefully that tape can last. And yeah, this is it for now. I'm just stalling to make this video long. So hopefully you made it to this part of the video, and if you did, if you did, I am really, really happy. And so that's it for now. So bye. I meant to, it's done, but